In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a family plan on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up a family plan so you can share Nintendo online memberships across all members is extremely simple. There will be other functions included with a family plan, and I'll leave them for you to explore. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up a family plan, and as you can see from the screen, this is a process that you must do on the Nintendo website. So instead of doing it on the Switch, I would highly recommend that you get access to a computer or your phone and you go into a web browser. When you visit a web browser, go to nintendo.com and sign into the main Nintendo account. I recommend that whoever is going to be hosting the family plan and buying the Nintendo Switch online membership does this process. So make sure that the main person who is going to be managing the family plan is signed in. And when you access this page, click on your name at the top right corner of the screen and go into the account settings. You will be redirected to accounts.nintendo.com. In this page, the first thing that you should do is make sure that this Nintendo account is linked to your Switch account. You will be able to do it under User Information and Linked Apps and Services. Click Edit and the option to link the Nintendo Network ID is going to be available here. Now, I will let you do this process on your own. All you have to do is click Nintendo Network ID and follow the instructions here, signing in with your credentials, and once you are done, you can go back to the main page. To start the family plan, click on Family Group at the left and you should see you as the only designated member. Now, click the option to add a member and you will be able to invite someone to your family group through an email invite link or create an account for a child. Just choose whichever option you prefer and you will be able to have it set up for you. It is extremely easy and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. Like I said, once you have everyone added to the same family group, if you buy a Nintendo Switch online membership through the eShop, everyone is going to receive the benefits of that subscription. And you can manage the family group at any time. You can always invite someone new using the email address, and you will be able to manage it here on the account's website for your Nintendo account. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a family plan on your Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.